surfing the internet, you may come across a word, the meaning of which you may not know. But generally, what we do that we search in the dictionary, we copy that word or we type that word, and then we uh, take that word into that dictionary and find the meaning. But what if I tell you that you can just double click a word and get the definition or meaning of that word with such an ease on your pop-up? You want this solution? So stay with me. This is what this video is about, and the name of the dictionary is Google Dictionary, and it's an extension for Google Chrome. So to get this dictionary, you need to go to the Chrome Web Store and type Google Dictionary. And in about the third result, you will get this. It is offered by the Google. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install it. Once you have installed this, you will get this icon over the top right hand side which says the Google Dictionary. So once this dictionary is installed, you can right click this icon and then press the options, and in this options you can select the your language for which you want to see the dictionaries. There are about 18 languages, including the English of United States and UK, which you can select it. And then there are some features available, like if you check this box, when you will do the double click, it will give you the definition. And if you check this box, when you will select a word or phrase, it will give you the definition. And these are some other words. If you want to keep a track of the words which you have searched, it will keep a history of that. You can make the changes and then press the save over here. So once you're done, now, so after this dictionary is installed, you need to simply double click a word within the Chrome, and it will give you a definition of that. And as in this case, it has given a definition, and you want further details, you just need to press the more button, and it will now take you to the Google search engine definition, and here you will find the further details. You can just extend this and you will get the complete history of a particular word, that the word was used over the time, like you are seeing over here. So there is one last feature of this, that apart from that, if you want to search a particular word, you can just click this book icon, and then you can type your word over here. Like if I write the Google in this dictionary, it will give you the details of that word, just like all the information you get in a dictionary. So this is double click Google Dictionary for your Chrome extension. Go ahead and install it. If you are interested in these kinds of small tips and tricks about the computer softwares and the online website, etc., hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe this channel.